Hi guys, today we are going to make the famous what is this? The famous quesadilla of Braxton. Okay, actually it's not famous, okay? It's just very simple, but he likes it. This is how he likes his quesadillas. So, this is what I'm gonna be making today. Okay, so we zoom in. All right, so I'm gonna go get the tortillas. It's not famous, okay? It's just very simple. Have we have cheese, lots of cheese. We have a tortillas. So that's what we're gonna make in a pan and a butter. So that's what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna warm up this, and I'm going to get a plate that is the same size with my tortilla. So that should be perfect. So we need 2 tortillas. One, 2. We're gonna keep the cook now. There you go. Put that there. Then we're gonna put lots of cheese. He does not want anything in his tortillas but cheese. That's it. No chicken, no bacon, no nothing but cheese. Me, I want whatever. Okay. So we're gonna turn down the fire so we don't burn our tortillas. So this is just Braxton's version of quesadillas, cheese quesadillas. So put lots of cheese. He likes cheese. So the cheese that I'm using is just a mild cheddar, shredded cheese. Okay, roll it up. I'm gonna put this. So I kind of like slowly, just kind of like moving it, try to melt the cheese. And while that's warming up, we're gonna return all this other stuff that we don't need anymore. So yeah, that's how Braxton eat his quesadilla, just cheese, plain cheese. That's it. Cook it. Oh, and we'll put butter. Okay, I'll put butter, guys. Okay, guys, I wash my hands, okay? So, yesterday. All right, I like that. And I'm gonna put this plate here. This is my trick. Whoop. And I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna do that. It's got butter in there now. Okay. Melt that. Well, you don't really need to put butter if you don't want to, but he likes butter. He loves his butter, so we're putting butter. There you go. That should be good. Cover the butter, return it. We're waiting. So simple. Very, very simple. Very simple. So while I'm waiting for that, I am going to slice some apples. Going to slice some apples for Braxton. This. We have some apples. And we gotta wash it first because they put wax in the apples. So let's spray. Make sure it's clean. So Braxton does not like his apple with skin. So we are going to peel this. And to do that, I use a big knife to do that. There you go. So that. So I do my apples. Go. Skin. Skin. So like that. Take the skin off. Take the skin off. I have the apple cutter, but I just do it like this. There you go. Me, on the other hand, I like skin in my apple. So I don't really need to take my apple skin. I'm okay with it. Flip it. We're almost done with our quesadillas. So that's where we're gonna be our apple. And I will eat the rest. I will eat the rest of this apple. There you go. Our apple is done while waiting our quesadillas. And then now we'll continue cooking our quesadillas. And this is how you do it. Flip. Voila. Perfect. There you go. Eating my apple while cooking. Okay. Perfect. Then what we're gonna do, we will slice it like a pizza. Slice it like a pizza. And that. Here's the cheese. Yummy. Here's your cheese quesadillas. Just all cheese. That's all he likes it. He does not want anything in there but cheese. So, here it is. Now, what we're gonna put here is, he's got his apple. He's got his apple and his quesadillas. So, it's very cheesy. Ooh, cheesy, cheesy. There you go. And here is his. Here's his food. And his meal is done. He loves his quesadillas.